This exercise is the split squat 1.5. You're gonna go all the way down as you would in a normal split squat. You're gonna come up only halfway, then go back down, and then come all the way up. Here I'm gonna demonstrate with dumbbells. So basically get into a squat stance, and from there, take one leg back. Again, just as you would a normal split squat. If you're more in line with the front leg, it's simply going to be harder. That doesn't make it wrong, but it's gonna be a lot harder because now I'm more imbalanced. So, stay in a squat stance, take one leg straight back. Now I'm not going forward, I'm going straight down. All the way down, up halfway, all the way down, up all the way. This can also be done with a kettlebell in a goblet squat fashion or a goblet split squat. Same thing. Or a barbell. Just like that. How about the front rack? Same thing. Let's switch out this barbell for some kettlebells. Double kettlebell front rack. I like to cross the fingers. Same thing. Single arm. Same exercise. All right, that's the split squat 1.5. Many ways to load the exercise, obviously. Do whatever you want or whatever your coach has prescribed. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my face right there, or check out some more videos right there and right there. Have a beautiful day. Don't stay on YouTube too long. Remember, real people exist. Go outside.